In this Java tutorial, we will talk about inner class. Inner class is a subclass created inside the main class. It can be preferred when the main class needs to be divided into groups. Let's learn how we can use inner classes by making an example. I created an object from the database operation class. There's a method inside the class. Also, database operation class contains update, insert, and delete subclasses. Each subclass has a method inside. Now let's learn how we can use these classes. I can access the method in the main class using the database operation object. For example, let's try to access the delete subclass. I can't access the delete subclass. So how can I do this? There are several methods. I am showing the first method. With this method, you can add the subclass to memory. I can access the delete subclass with this method. Let's try to access the insert subclass using the same method. I can access the insert subclass. But instead of using this method, we can use the static keyword. We can't access the subclasses from the database operation class. To access the subclass, I will define the subclass as static. Although I can access the subclass, I can't access the method. Defining the subclass as static is not enough. I will define the method as static. You can access the subclasses and their methods using this method. I will apply the same method in the insert subclass. I add static keyword to the subclass and method. I can access the subclass and method. I will apply the same method in the update subclass. I add static keyword to the subclass and method. I can access the subclass and method. I can access the method in the main class directly. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.